Cutting small pieces at your miter saw could be super scary and dangerous. Make this little table. You can see how it works. Put the piece and hold the piece with your left hand using this handle. This will keep your fingers in a safe place. You can cut very small pieces safely. How do you like this method?
Here's how to remove a nail if you don't have the right tool for it.
Never drill chipboard like this. Always put something behind or under the chipboard.
How to join two identical wooden boards with the help of screws and glue.
If your screw breaks, try this drill trick.
Here's how to make a joint with wooden slats. Here's how to perfectly join wooden slats.
You should have this load lifter in your workshop.
Never do this.
Watch me how to do it correct.
Here's a trick on how not to damage the chipboard when drilling screws.
Here's a trick to cut the exact measurement for the edging.
How not to damage wood when drilling holes.
Check out this trick that every carpenter must know this.
Here's how to hide screws in wood. How to drill an edge on chipboard. Making a stand for your hammers is very simple. Make this saw holder. You have the full clip on my channel. With this trick, you can grind inside the round hole. Make a sandpaper holder. Make these perfect wooden clamps.